Manufacturers are calling for more incentives and initiatives to lower the cost of production to grow the manufacturing sector at a faster pace. The Kenya National Chamber of Commerce and Industry Vice President Kandie is calling for more leeway to be offered institutions making products from imported raw materials.
The cost per kilowatt hour in Kenya is significantly higher, and manufacturing then has a lot of inputs. When you talk about the conversion costs, when the conversion costs are all put together, the costs include power, labor, raw materials, and all other costs. But where we can request the government is to see how that cost per unit can be, subsidized, or a differential pricing matrix is given for manufacturers, so that when they do their cost per unit, they are able then to get it at a low price, be able to price it competitively in the shelves, and thereby grow their volume.